Mr. William.
Chairman, sir, as mentioned in my budget speech, I believe the government should put in more effort to track underemployment. Let me highlight 3 areas. First, the government could put into its headline numbers not just the employment and unemployment rates, but 2 other indicators it is already gathering. For some years, the government has been publishing some statistics on time-related underemployment, showing the hours worked versus the hours that the employees are available and willing to work. The government also gathers data on discouraged workers, namely those who have given up the job search. Headlining time-related underemployment and the numbers of discouraged workers will focus public attention to these 2 important statistics that are not captured in the employment and unemployment headlines. Secondly, while I accept that measuring underemployment by time is probably the only internationally accepted measure, we know that working less hours is just one aspect of underemployment. How can we measure underemployment where a person is being underutilized in terms of his earning capacity? Could we consider collecting data on income earned versus median income for that qualification and age, or perhaps compared with previous income? Thirdly, it has been noted in the United States that in the last decade, the growth of temp and contract jobs has surged, with the proportion of Americans working as independent contractors soaring. In Singapore, according to the ministry's report on the Labour Force 2015, there were 202,000 contract workers. Does this figure capture all those who are on contract, freelance or ad hoc work arrangements? Can we expect such alternative work arrangements to increase, given the uncertain economy, the need for employers to manage costs, and the automation of jobs? If so, there will be more Singaporeans facing issues such as poor job security, intermittent CPF contributions, and little or no medical benefits. Are we adequately measuring the number of Singaporeans who are underemployed in this way?